In today's video, I'm going to show you TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dashcam review. The TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear is an affordable dual camera dashcam system that promises high-resolution dual 4K recording for front and rear views, plus smart features like built-in GPS, Wi-Fi app control, a G sensor for impact detection, and night vision, all packed into a package that often sells around the low to mid-budget range. Both the front and rear cameras capture true 3840 x 2160p video simultaneously, with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, helping ensure important details like license plates and road signs are recorded clearly in real traffic scenarios. It also includes a free 128GB micro SD card and supports cards up to 512GB, so you can record more footage before old videos are overwritten. In real-world use, many owners and reviewers praise its video quality, large field of view, and easy installation, noting that the dashcam gives sharp, daytime, and capable night footage thanks to Super Starlight night vision and WDR processing that balances highlights and shadows. Loop recording ensures continuous coverage, and the G-sensor locks collision clips so critical videos aren't deleted by accident. The dashcam's dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, and companion app make previewing, downloading, and managing recordings straightforward without removing the memory card. That said, feedback isn't uniformly perfect. Some users note that mobile app connectivity can be flaky at times, and windshield mounting or power wiring may require a bit more effort than plug-and-play brands, though many drivers find the basic setup pretty accessible. A few reports from community discussions mention potential battery drain if the dashcam is left powered from an always-on outlet, and a minority of buyers have returned units due to app or hardware quirks. Overall, the TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dashcam is generally seen as a capable and good value option in its class. It's a good pick for drivers who want high-resolution video, broad coverage, and smart features without spending a premium, though tech-savvy users may want to be aware of occasional connectivity quirks. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.